Okay, this time I have this question, pre-order traversal of binary tree. So let's see, it's an easy type of question, and right now 106 people are online in this question. So given the root of binary tree, return the pre-order traversal of its node. So for this, you first need to know what is a pre-order traversal. So let me tell you, let me copy this image and paste it here. Okay, and now I'll tell you what is pre-order traversal. So we will in pre-order traversal we do some this kind of thing. Wait, let me show you. Let me first lock this image. Yes, edit toggle locked. Yes. So in pre-order traversal, what we do, root root is first, root, then left node, and then right node. Yes, this is the thing we do in pre-order traversal. So now you must be thinking, what is this? So let me show you what is this. Yes, can I change this color? Yes. So see, first we will traverse root. Yes, and we will put that root in an array. So one. Okay. Then we will traverse left. But in left, we when we go to left, we again have a root. So when we go to left, two is the root of left. So root. Then it's left. So again, when we go to left, see no node after this four. No node after this four. So this is our root and this is our left also. So four. Root is done, traversing of root is done, traversing of left is done. Now it will go to right. Inside right, it will first traverse root, which is 5. Then it will traverse left, that is 6. And then it will traverse right. Yes, like this it will do. Now see, this whole left side is traversed. Yes, now it will see, we have traversed root. Here is our root 1. We have traversed this left portion, 2 4 5 6 7. See, 2 4 5 6 7 are there. Now we will go to this right node, this whole node. Okay, so in right node we have this root. So 3 will be traversed. Left, we do not have left, so we will go to right. Inside right we have this 8 as root, and then it's left. So this should be our answer. 2 1 2 4 5 6 7 3 8 9. So 1 2 4 5 6 7 3 8 9. See, output is this only. I'm copying this and I'm pasting it here only. So wait for a minute. Let me change the color and see, this is my output. Yes, so okay, O is missing here. Okay, so this is our output. Yes, and I'm erasing the output I wrote because it's very ugly. Yes, it's not looking that good. Yes, I have done it. Okay, wait for a minute. Not a minute, wait for a second only. See, our output is this. So question is, how can we do this? Okay, so there are two ways of doing the same problem. First is iterative, or I would say first is recursive. Then I will go to iterative approach. So in this video I would like to show you recursive method. So recursive approach is what we have to see when we are doing Fibonacci. When we do Fibonacci, what we do, we divide our code into branches. That recursion is like a virus, it spreads like this. Okay, and when it get a value, it will when it reaches the last position, see what a recursion will do. It will first go to 1. Okay, then it will push its value, then it will go to its left, root after root left. Okay, then after going left, it will also it will add 2, then it will go left. Now we do not have any left, then it will come to right. Okay, so like this we have to do. So question is, how can we do this? So I will do what, I will start two functions. Okay, so first is see, I'll make a function. Let again a function, uh, function traversal. Okay, function name is traversal. Let it be the function name, and inside it I have my current value. Current, yes. And what is this current? This current is nothing, it's root only. So I will call it here traversal with root. I'm calling it with root. See, I'll call this function with root. So now this function, what should this function do? It should divide. It should first see, our first value is 1. So it push the root first. It should push the root first into our answer array. So let ans is equals to. Don't worry, I'll try run whole recursion code. Okay. So ans dot push current. First it will ans dot push current. Yes, it will do something like this. Then what will this code do? It will push current and it will divide to left and right. Okay, so okay, it will divide in left and right. Inside left, it will also push see traversal. It will divide its branch to current dot left. See, now when we call it with current dot left, this 2 will be pushed inside it. Okay, this 2 will be pushed inside it, and it will now divide in further two branches. It will call again current dot left, this 4 traversal of 4. Now that will also see, but base case is what? If current is not or it is valid, then only do these operations. Okay, otherwise, or let me write it like this: if current is not valid, just return return from the loop. We do not loop, or you can say function. Yes, function. This recursive is also a loop type thing. Yes. So but see, if we just write this only, we are doing only branching with left side only. We are only uh, we are only making a function in left side only. We are not traversing right side. We are just traversing our left side. Okay, so what shall I do if I have to traverse right side also? So just like this traversal, we have to expand in both the direction, but first we have to expand in left direction after root, after traversing root. So current dot right, like this, and see double r. Yes, so okay, so I think this function is correct, and let me run it. And if root is empty, see, if root, or see, that is not required here. Why? I will just call traversal root, and at last I will return this. Shall I return? Yes, return traversal of root. So it will do what? It will not traversal of root, return array. Call this function and then return arr, ans, sorry, not arr. So let me see, will this run or not? I think this code is perfect and it should run. Okay, it's not running. Traversal, unexpected identifier traversal. So is there any spelling mistake? Traversal function, okay, that is good. Unexpected function solution. Identifier is not correct. Okay, so see, this spelling is wrong. FUN C. My bad, sorry. Again, let me run it again. So this time it should run. And any error again or not? Okay, again an error. Return type is not valid type. Return type is a list of integer. Okay, we do not have a list of integer. Current dot val. Sorry. We have to push current dot val inside it. Okay. So again my bad. So now fingers crossed, it should not give me any error now, because this is my third time. Okay, so see, now this is working fine. So that was my solution for this, and if I submit this, this will be submitted. And now let me dry run this code again for you. So see, I'll try run this code. See, it is submitted and 100% accuracy. Okay, so I'm taking this and I'm pasting it here. So let me remove this once. Okay, I'm taking a frame here like this, and inside that, wait. Sorry. Let me choose a frame here. Is this a frame? Yes. And see. Okay, so edit and toggle locked. Yes. So now we can do something like this. See what this function will do. Suppose we have this function first. Okay, so we have this. This is our function, and let me make it small. So first, this function will be called by what? This function will be called by first value. This root. We passed root inside this function. We passed 1. So now this function will do what? 1 is see, current is not right now null, so it will not return. It will answer dot push. So inside our ans array, it will push 1. Okay, output array, it will push 1. Then it will call the same function with current dot left and current dot right. So this is my node for left, like this. See, okay, this is my node for left, and it will call the same function for my right node. Yes, it will call the same function for my right node. So again, okay, so it will call the same function for my right node. Now again, now I have what? See, Now this function will be called with what values? It will call with a left current dot left. So current dot left is what? One dot left is 2. See, this is left and this is right. So it will call this function with 2 and 3. Yes. So it will call this function with 2 and 3. Now what they will do? See, let me copy this function again. I have a problem there. I shouldn't have framed that. It's okay. This function will do what? I'm just showing you what this function will do. This whole thing. This will call this function. See, we have passed current inside this function. We have to do first for left. Why? Because see, left is written here first. That's why we have to do each task for left first. Okay. So we are doing. We have created that 3, but or if you want, you can erase that. Oh, we cannot erase it. So let's make it there only. So see, we will call this function with 2. So it will push 2 into our answer. So 2 will also be pushed. Now what will do? It will call this traversal dot left with current dot well. Okay, we will call this like that. Okay, so now current dot left is what? 2 dot left is 4. Now it will call this, it will answer dot push 4, it will push 4 inside it, and it will call the traversal of with current dot left, and current dot left is null, so nothing will happen. Return, it will just return back. And then see, this line is done, this current dot left is done because it was null. Now it will call current dot right. Yes, if it call current dot right, it is again null. So both the lines are done. Now see, this portion is done. We have inside our array we have push 2. Yes, so now it will do this question, this portion, traversal dot current dot right. Now this line will execute. Again we have that same function, and I am copying that thing. Copy. Wait a minute. Copy. Okay, so now I'm pasting that function again. See, it will again call that function. Yes, so now it has again called that function. Now what I have to do? It will call with current dot right. So 2 dot right is 5. This is right and this is left for 2. So it will call this function with 5. So now this function will do what? It will first push. It will first execute this line. So answer dot push. It will push inside our answer 5 only. Okay. Now answer dot push 5 and traversal dot with, and it will execute this line after that. Traversal of current dot left. So current dot left is what? 6. It will call the same function with 6. It will call the same function with 6. See, like this. It will call the same function with uh, let me zoom it first. It will call the same function with 6. Okay, and see, mm, let me uh, make it here. We are here. So it will call the same function with 6. Now after that, see what was my let me go there back. So see, for after 6 we do not have anything, so this will give me null. Yes, this will give me null. And then see, if I go here, this line will push 6 inside my array. So we will do what? We will go to the array and we will push 6 inside it. Okay, so we will push 6 inside our array. Yes, and then we will do execute this current dot left is executed. We do not have anything after 6. Then this current dot right will also be executed. Current dot left, current dot right will also give me null because both nodes are null for 6. So now we will go to where? See, this 6 is traversed. Okay, now 7 come. Why 7 come? Because see, 5, this was this line code. This 6, see, we passed it with traversal with current dot left. Current dot left for 6. Now we will pass current dot right. This same function with current dot right. So again, if I pass it again, uh, wait a minute. So if we pass current dot right again, so like this. Now we will pass this current dot right with 7. Okay, and for 7 also it will push this 7 to this array first line, and the both the two lines will give me null. This will give me null and this will give me null. Return back. Okay, so now see what we have done till now. We have iterated this, we have done this line. See, this line is done. This answer dot push current dot val is done, and this line is also done. Traversal dot current dot left. This was left only. This branch was left only. It's all branching are left only. It is spreading. this recursion, this three line of recursion are doing many things. See this spreading like a virus, right? It pushed answer first. First this line was executed, and it was executed once only. Then this traversal function inside it, it'll call many traversal function. That is why I'm saying this. See, this code done our left traversal, so our this part is traversed. See, including this one, our this part is traversed. See, 1 2 4 6 7, yes. So like this. Now this function was not called anyway, so let me call it. It will call with 3. It will push, this line will execute first. It will push answer dot 3. So 3 will be pushed. Then it will call left function first. So I am calling left function first. So what is my function? Let me copy that function. Copy and control paste. Yes. So it will call the same function with what? 3 dot left. 3, we do we have 3 dot left? So see, 3 dot left is null. So it will call it with null, empty thing. So it will not give me any result. Then it will call it with right. So again, when we call this function with right, what we will get when we call this function with right? So then we'll get wait, oh, this is extra, delete it. Yes, and when we will call this function with right, we will get what? So let me see. uh, so see, we have this, we are calling it with right. Right node is what? Right is 8. 8, okay. So we are calling it with 8. So first is will push 8. So let me push 8 inside my array. Okay, then it will call it with left, traversal of left. So okay, call it. So, or wait, I'm copying it and I'm pasting it. It will call the same function, and see now what happened with what? With 9. 8 dot left was 9 only. It will call it 9, and see inside 9 it will push 9 inside my array. So let's push 9 9 into our array. So yeah, we have pushed it. So see, now I'm closing my array. Why? See, now we have pushed inside our array 9. Now it will call traversal dot left with current dot left, which is null only, and right is also null. Okay, so we have done this thing. So now it will come back, and see, we didn't executed this function traversal dot current dot right. If we do this, this will give us null only. Why? Because 8 dot right, we do not have any node in 8 dot right, so no node. Okay, so this will give me null. And see, now we have done this thing also. We have traversed this right array also. We have executed this code also, traversal dot current dot right. So that's how we do this recursion thing inside this binary tree traversal of pre-order traversal. So that's how we do this recursion. So I explained it to you in as much as recursion I know for this question. I explained it to you. Now it's up to you. You have to use recursive approach or iterative. I can tell you the iterative approach in my next video because this is getting a long video. So thank you so much and have a nice day.